One challenge this holiday season is to create delicious but affordable meals. Here to help is recipe developer and super chef Kasim Hardaway, whose blog and social media brand have been featured in publications like Forbes, NPR, Food and Wine, and Yahoo. Chef Hardaway is teaming with Aldi to create shopping secrets for delivering perfect meals for the holiday season. Chef, welcome to the show.
Rising costs are impacting everything, including groceries. At Aldi, celebrating the holidays is all about being around loved ones, enjoying a delicious meal without having to worry about those costs. That's why Aldi is introducing the Thanksgiving Price Rewind, offering 2019 prices on over 50 plus favorites, including appetizers, sides, beverages, and desserts you see here. Shoppers can look for select products marked with the Thanksgiving Price Rewind icon in their local ad and throughout stores for extra savings. This is my favorite recipe. It's cheesy French onion potatoes. Simply take parboiled white potatoes, slice them in half, scoop out the centers, and then we stuff with flavor. Cheese, because who doesn't love cheese? Caramelized onions and white wine, and then that's baked to gooey perfection and topped with French fried onions and green onions. It is delicious. And I love Aldi because of their commitment to providing their customers with everything they need for Thanksgiving at prices that can't be beat. Now here is one that's gonna save you time and money. Stop by your local Aldi or shop online for the ingredients, including Italian sausages, Happy Farm cheddar cheese, and William Wright Chardonnay. This dish is Chardonnay sausage bites with beer cheese dip. It's a fun and quick appetizer that comes together in less than 30 minutes. Italian sausages are simmered in white wine, then broiled to crispy perfection and paired with a velvety, creamy beer cheese dip. It will be the talk of the evening. Whether shopping online or in store, you can find all of your favorites at Aldi. So pick up some brie, pick up some prosciutto, fresh brown and serve rolls, green beans, cornbread stuffing, and of course, apple pie. Now through Thanksgiving, you can save up to 30% on these items, plus other holiday faves. To learn more about everything we talked about today, including the recipes, plus more holiday deals, visit aldi.us.
Thanks, Chef.